Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Huawei Nova 11 Pro with your PC or laptop for the file transfer. And to do this, we'll need to get the USB-C to USB cable, connect the USB end to your PC, then connect USB-C end to your Huawei. Now we want to unlock our phone and then select file transfer right here. We can go back to our PC and open File Manager. Here enter this PC. There should be name of your phone right here. You can click on it and there's internal storage right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.